Hello student of class 9th, you're welcome in online classes of physics. My dear student, today we will discuss about the chapter motion, and the today's topic is equation of motion. Here we derive the formula for the equation of motion by graphical method. Yes, the topic is equation of motion by graphical method. Yes, the topic is equation of motion by, here we derive equation of motion, that is the equation of motion is, that is three equations, and namely the first one is v equals to u plus at, the second is s equals to ut plus half at square, and the third one is v square equals to u square plus 2as. Here we just derive all three equations, and the diagram for this equation is, if we plot a graph, that is velocity time graph, this is a position of O. If a body just initiate and it's just move from a position O, that is stationary point O, and goes to point A, after that the body accelerated, and after acceleration is goes to another point, that is B. Take normal to this point, after that just parallel of this line, that is B, this one is C, this one is D, this point is D, and this slope is basically A. This is, and O to A, that is denoted by a initial velocity u, and finally the object goes to B point, so this B point is represented by V. This is a y-axis, this is x-axis, that is time, and the OC is represented by a time interval t, so this is time. Here this is a velocity time graph, in x-axis this is a time, and in y-axis that is velocity, u and v, different type of velocity existing. Here another parallel line to B, that is, in this case here what is the value of OA? OA is here, OA is that is the initial velocity, that is u, and the BC is final velocity attained by the body, final velocity, and that is v. Yes, Here student, and what for OC? OC and AD both are same, and that will be equals to T, that is time, T. So in this case we can write here BC equals to BD plus DC. Yes, then what the value of BD? The BD is equals to BC minus DC. Put the value of BC and DC, that is, put the value of BC. BC means V, and what for DC? The DC here, the DC is U. OA is U, because since OA equals to DC equals to U. So OA equals to DC equals to U, though VD is equals to V minus U. BD equals to V minus U. What were the slope? Here the slope in velocity time graph, that is acceleration, and the acceleration A, that will be equals to slope VD by AD, that is BD by AD. You got this point, the VD upon AD, and put the value of BD. Here the BD is equals to V minus U, and AD, what the value of AD? The AD is same as for OC, and that is T. So from this equation, V minus U equals to A cross with T, that is AT. So the finally V equals to U from second side, U plus AT. My dear student, this is first equation. This is the first equation of motion given by Sir Isaac Newton. V equals to U plus AT. In the second case, second equation, yes, the second equation, and this is basically for first equation, that is for first equation. In the second equation case, diagram is common for all. Here the total distance covered by an object is S, that is represented by S. So the S is equals to area covered by OABC, that is area of trapezium OABDC, and we put here the area of trapezium OABDC can be divided into two parts. The first one is rectangle OADC, a rectangle, and another that is triangle ABD. So trapezium can be divided into two parts, area of rectangle, and the name of rectangle is OADC plus area of triangle area of triangle, and that triangle is ABD. ABD. Here area of rectangle, the formula of area of rectangle is length into breadth. Here length is OC and OA, so that is OA multiply with OC. OA multiply with OC, that is the area of rectangle, plus the area of triangle of half perpendicular into base, then half perpendicular into base. Perpendicular, that is BD, and base, and the base, that is AD. Put the values OA and OC. OA is U multiply with OC is T, multiply with T, plus half. What for BD? The BD is given here. My dear student, BD is equals to V minus U. So V minus U, and another term, that is AD. What for AD? The AD and OC both are same, and that is time, T. Yes, and here V minus U is equals to AT. So UT plus half, and in place of V minus U, you can write AT, since V minus U is equals to AT. So the formula is UT plus half AT square. S equals to, my dear student, this is second equation of motion, equation number second. Yes, in the final round, the third equation is, my dear student, third equation is V square equals to U square plus 2AS, and that is the diagram, the figure is common for all. In third, again, the total distance covered by object is, that is S, and that is area of trapezium, and the name of the trapezium is OABDC. So here we use the formula for trapezium, that is sum of parallel side by 2, sum of parallel sides by 2 multiplying with distance between parallel sides. Yes, my dear student, here the sum of the parallel sides are OA and BC. OA plus BC multiplied by 2 divided by 2, OA plus BC, that is divided by 2 and multiplied with, and the distance between parallel side, that is OC, So put the formula here, put the values OA means U plus BC. What for BC? BC equals to V and by 2 multiplied with OC. Finally the OC is, that is T, and from this formula V minus U is equals to AT, then T. What the value of T? since v minus u equals to at, so the value of t will be equals to v minus u upon a. Yes, put the value of t in this formula, u plus v by 2, and for t v minus u upon a. So the finally u plus v and v minus u, that is v plus u, v minus u by 2a. So cross multiplication we get 2as, and that is equals to a plus b, a minus b, that is a square minus b square. So here the v square minus u square, that is the finally you get the value of v square equals to u square, that is in another side u square plus 2as. My dear student, this is equation number 3rd of equation of motion given by Sir Isaac Newton. This is much more famous to calculate value of distance, velocity, initial velocity, final velocity, and acceleration. So in next video, in next class, we solve the question, numerical question based on all 3 equations. Thank you.